Hi guys, Clayton here, Gold Coast Wraps. In this video we have a boat where the clear coat is delaminating. It was originally painted and airbrushed with a PPF layer. After obtaining some damage, the owners had gone to remove the film, which has pulled up some of the clear coat and a bit of the colour. So what we have to do here is feather out the colours and the clear coat. Then we need to match the colours, replacing them one by masking them out. After we've done that, we'll re-clear coat it, then we'll rub all that back again to try and get it as smooth as we can and put another coat of clear on it. So by removing the old PPF in sections, we were able to clean it up and put new sections